Have you ever thought about where your cat's ancient kitty ancestors lived or how they became one of man's favorite cuddle buddies? It turns out cats likely domesticated themselves twice. I'm Sonora, and I'm going to tell you about how researchers believe the symbiotic relationship between cats and people evolved. You may have watched your own pet cat walk through your living room as if they're walking through a tall grassland safari, or up late at night hunting bugs or other critters, and wondered how different are they really from their wild counterparts. As a cat enthusiast, I have been an owner of many cats, past and present. And as somebody who's interested in social economic evolutionism in general, I've looked into and thought about this topic a lot. Without cats, agricultural advancement and cultivation could have become one big all-in-one buffet for rodents. Cats' extreme cuteness only worked in their favor as they followed rodents towards human settlements, attracting people to them. It was only a matter of time before they had us feeding them from the palm of our hand. They're so cute, they were even able to convince us humans to become their slaves more than once. According to a 2017 study published by Nature, Ecology, and Evolution, researchers surveyed the DNA of more than 200 cats spanning the last 9,000 years, including Romanian cats, Egyptian cat mummies, and modern African wildcat specimens, and concluded that two major cat lineages contributed to the domestic feline we know today. The oldest domestic cat skeletons that have been found can be dated as far back as 7,500 BC to, on the other side of the same landmass, back to around 3,300 BC. The skeletons are of two different feline genuses, confirming that domestication of cats happened in separate civilizations independently of one another. Felis sylvestris, the African wildcat, and Prionelurus bengalensis, the Asian leopard cat, are the genus of cats that domestic remains have been found of. The absolute oldest domestic cat remains ever found, according to a 2004 article published by National Geographic, are estimated to be around 9,521 years old. The remains were found on Cyprus Island in the Mediterranean Sea near the Fertile Crescent. The Fertile Crescent is where some of the earliest civilizations lived and where many innovative inventions were developed, such as the wheel, writing, and irrigation. The remains found were thought to be of a pet because cats were not native to this island that was detached from the main land mass, and they were buried with a person, possibly their owner, and surrounded by seashells. Additionally, a 2013 article from Science magazine discusses how another set of researchers found 5,000-year-old remains of a domestic leopard cat in eastern China near the site of an ancient millet farming village. Within the cat's digestive system, mice were found, and within the mice digestive system, millets were found. The stomach contents of these remains further cemented the notion that cats domesticated themselves by following rodent populations towards human civilizations and volunteering their labor as pest controllers. Early civilizations, cultivating crops and grains such as wheat, attracted rodents, and the rodents attracted the cats. Humans began feeding and caring for the cats that kept away the pests. The cat DNA and genome was imprinted over time through domestication, favoring cats with friendly and neotenic behavior, such as cuddling, purring, and nudging you. That is essentially how cats convinced people to offer them their care and food for free for the rest of their natural lives. They not only killed and ate rodents, bugs, and other pests that would otherwise consume our food, they also snuggled up to us, manipulating us with their adorable charm. Cats have long been great and helpful companions to people, capable of independence, but more social than their wild counterparts. So next time Fluffy is getting ready to pounce on your toes, remember, he's only practicing his innate hunting skills to protect your home from tiny unwanted guests.